2 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 2 2 3 4 2 2 3 4 2 2 3 4 2 2 3 2 3 4 3 2 3 4 3 2 3 4 3 2 3 da da din da da din da da din da da din da da.
Dear student, once again I welcome you to the art education class. Hope you all are fine. And definitely it's my belief that you are going through the videos that it's already been sent for you and you are practicing. And today I have thought of that I'll be teaching another Kavita. It's a poem. When on the basis of any poem a dance has been composed under Kathak dance, it's been called Kavita or Kavitangi. There is a big small difference between Kavita and Kavitangi. That is, Kavita is entirely Kavita. It's been composed or choreographed in dance. Or Kavitangi, Kavita bhi hai, and along with that you will find a dance bowl is been added. Like tat tat thun thun tidadi dite along with the Kavita. So then that will be called Kavitangi. Kavita ke ang swarup. And before that you have already learned of Ganesh Paran or Kavita about Lord Ganesha, and now this time it is on Shiv. So how is that? Dha din din da din din da na tin tin na tin din da dha din din da din din da na tin tin na tin din da Chandra chapal kar आरती शिव की धीधि कीट धुन धुन गंगा खरत कर नाचत शंकर त्राम थे त्राम तत्ता एक तत्ता दो तत्ता तीन तत्ता चार तत्ता धा. So at the very end you have 5 chakra. Let's begin Kavita. Chandra Chapalakar. I'll be showing you the bowl here. The bowl, just now I have recited for you. Chandra Chapalakar Arati Shivaki Dhidhi Kita Thun Thun Ganga Khalatakar Nachat Shankar Tram The Tram Tatta Ek Tatta Do Tatta Teen Tatta Char Tatta Dha. See, as you are learning right now Kavitangi, see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 division, 4 each division, 4 division. 4 division are there and each division are carrying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and then 1. And 1 as it starts and as it ends also, this would be called sum. See? So first matra mein this is cross, this will be coming on second tali and this will be on your khali and this is the third tali. So here I can read out for you Chandra Chapal Kar or Chandra Chapal Kar Arati Shiva Ki Dhidhi Kita. See number 2 Dhidhi Kita Thun Thun Ganga Khalat Kar Nachat Shankar Tram The Tram Tatta Ek third tali Ek Tatta Do Tatta Teen Tatta Char Tatta Dha. So as it goes Dha Dhin Dhin Dha Dha Dhin Dhin Dha Na Tin Tin Na Tit Dhin Dhin Dha. So there are 4 places I have distributed. First tali, second tali, this is khali and this is the third tali. So as it goes, Chandra Chapalakar, how we will be reading it out in this, जब हम हाथ में पढ़न करके दिखाएंगे. चंद्र चपल कर आरती शिव की धीधि कीटा थुन थुन गंगा खलत कर नाचत शंकर त्राम थे त्राम तत्ता एक तत्ता दो तत्ता तीन तत्ता चार तत्ता धा. So now we will be doing the very intricate part of that entire bowl. There are very few steps there, and that is a bit tough. So we will be starting with this, with the mudra. This is Chandra, 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 and this way Chapal Kar, Chandra Chapal Kar. दिखाना है Chandra, Chandra. It is the crescent moon above the head of, on the jata of Shiva, Lord Shiva. So you just show this Chandra Chapal Kar, Chandra. Only like this. You have to stand like this. Just put your right leg in front and show this Chandra. Chandra, Chandra. Now like this, Suchi. Chapal Kar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Chapal Kar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Again. Chandra Chapal Kar. Done. Arati Shiva Ki. So there are few mudras are there. This is Chandra. This is Shiva. As it is, we can show like this, Shiva Linga. So this is called Shiva. Arati Shiva Ki. So we can explain Chandra, and this is Chapal Kar, and simply Arati के लिए 1, 2, 3 Shiva Ki, and this is the mudra can be used for Shiva, Shiva Ki, Shivalinga, Shiva Ki. So let's do this much again. Please start. Chandra. You just show this Chandra above the sky, and it stays on the jata, or above the head of Lord Shiva. Chandra or Chapal Kar. ऐसे वो चमकते हैं बिजली जैसे. Kar. Done. Now take a right turn. Arati Shiva Ki. Now do some another steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dhi dhi ki ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dhi dhi ki ta. Dhi dhi ki ta. Thun thun. Again. Dhi dhi ki ta. Thun thun. शिव जी डमरू बजाते हैं ना, डमरू. So this way we will be holding the डमरू. Clear? Dhi dhi ki ta. Thun thun. Again. Dhi dhi ki ta. Thun thun. Clear? Dhi dhi ki ta. Thun thun. So just practice this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And the previous one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Before you learn this entire kavita, you just keep practicing this small parts. So when you will be doing this entire kavita, it will be easier for you to perform. Again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. and the expression also. Expression also. When you are showing a moon, it's a beautiful. So your face should be very happy, and you see the beauty of this thing when it is above the head of Lord Shiva. How does it? You just imagine how beautiful it is. Chandra chapal kar आरती शिव की धी धी कीट धुन धुन डन 1 2 3 4 धुन धुन डमरू बजाया आपने धुन धुन नाउ गंगा कहाँ शिव जी के जटा पे तो जटा दिखाने के लिए ऐसे जुड़ा बांधते हैं कैसे ऐसे बांधेंगे ना गंगा खलत कर गंगा खलत कर गंगा थे we'll be doing the same the previously you have learned the tatkar ta the tat a the tat ta the tat a the tat water is going to fall down on the earth so ganga and it's a wavy movement as it falls down from the jata of Lord Shiva. It's falling down. Ta the tat a the tat. You just practice. Just hold it here. Jata. Ta the tat a the tat. Ta the tat a the tat. Again. Ganga khalat kar. Ganga khalat kar. Again, please start. Ganga khalat kar. Always, whatever the movement I am giving you, you just do it little more so that you get the perfection and you can do it entire beautifully. Again, Ganga khalat kar. जटा भी पकड़ना है और पानी ऐसे नीचे उतारना है गंगा खलत कर डन ता थई tat but here ta thei tat you don't have to do it in a fixed position so as water flows down ta thei tat a thei tat so you just move to the right direction ta thei tat a thei tat then ganga khalat kar nachat shankar ganga khalat kar nachat दोनों हाथ ऐसे nachat shankar see 1 2 3 and jump on this हिल नाचत शंकर ऐसे नटराज मुद्रा नटराज भंगिमा में नटराज you know it's another form of Lord Shiva only when he dances and that time his name is Nataraj and he is the king of all kind of art dance music instruments everything so that is what his name is another name is also Nataraj. So that is what, how we will be showing this. Nachat shankar. This way, kar. You stops here. Again, Ganga khalat kar. Ganga khalat kar. Nachat shankar. Now, okay, this much. Now you will be practicing tram thei tram. This is a very little tap. See, tram. ऐसे you have to stand on your right toe and you have to skid it. This way थोड़ा सा फिसल देना है पैर को और इस पे चढ़ना भी है. राइट पे हल्का सा चढ़ना है Tram, hey. Tram, hey. You practice it 20 times. You have to practice more than that. Otherwise, you will not be able to do it. See, tram, hey, tram, tram, hey, tram, hey. So, tram का sound exactly it comes from the left leg. Is that clear? tram का sound left leg से आता है और उसके लिए हमको राइट लेग पे हल्का चढ़ना पड़ता है और ऐसे पैर को खिसका देना है, ऐसे पैर को स्किड कर देना. त्रम थई, थई तो राइट है. जैसे त्रम में करके आने के बाद थई. सो यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट सेपरेटली. त्रम थई, त्रम थई, त्रम थई, त्रम थई, त्रम थई, त्रम थई, त्रम थई. Clear? So, just recall back again. Chandra, Chandra. She is that Chandra. चप्पल कर, 1 2 3 4. चंद्र चप्पल कर, पल कर. क्लियर? चंद्र च छोड़ देना है, पल कर. आरती शिव की. You just take care of the footstep right now. Clear? Again, चंद्र च पल कर. आरती शिव की. Now take a left turn. धी धी की ट. थुन थुन. 1 2 3 4. थुन थुन. ता थई थई tat. आ थई थई tat. We'll be lifting, shifting toward right side twice. ता थई थई tat में भी, आ थई 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 tat में भी. ता थई थई tat. आ थई थई tat. Then tram थई tram. tat tat. 1 tat tat. 2 tat tat. 3 tat tat. 4 tat tat. 5. And for you, it is for you to get it, to do it, count, and if it is easier for you, so I am doing for you in count. 1 2 3. चंद्र च. 1 2 3. च. 1 2 3 4. पल कर. Then I will take a right turn. आरती शिव की. Done. आरती शिव की. Then again left turn. चेक कर लेना है. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. थुन थुन. डमरू. थुन थुन. धी धी की ट. थुन थुन थुन. Now गंगा खलत कर. नाचत शंकर. Clear? नाचत शंकर. Then tram थई tram. Tram tat tat. 1 tat tat. 2 tat tat. 3 tat tat. 4 tat tat. 5. So till then you learn this much. You learn this much and by heart the bowl. By heart the bowl. So and practice this separately. These small pieces of movement. Then in the coming video we all will be doing the same Kavita again, totally. Okay? And plus more, anything more. But the thing is that by heart this Kavita, and if it is possible, you just note down in your copy. If you write down, then it will be easy for you to by heart and to memorize the thing. Is that clear? So again I am telling you, it's a recapitulation what Kavita is. Kavita is a poem. As you study, as you read in your English subject, in Hindi, and then it's in Hindi. The same way, Kavita can be danced or performed in Kathak also. But it is mostly found that that Kavita explains about God and Goddess. So here we have learned today the Kavita of or Kavitangi of Lord Shiva, where it shows its beauty as it holds the moon on his jata, as the Ganga flows out of his jata, and he is a lord of dance and music. So that everything has been explained and that small Kavita. So till then, this is enough for today's class, and I will be uploading in the next class also the more moments and more Kavita. So till then, you keep practicing. Be happy. Stay safe. Stay in home.
3 2 3 4 3 2 3 4 3 2 3 4 3 2 3 4 3 2 3 4 I hope you have a good time doing this.